possible hidden trigger of aging. This video is a creative derivative product from articles published in famous peer-reviewed journals and government reports. Recent research has found that physical harm to the cell's outer layer can trigger aging at the cellular level in humans. The membrane that covers our cells is fragile and prone to damage from our everyday activities and injuries. Cells have repair systems that can help to some extent in repairing membrane damage. Mechanical damage to the cell membrane can result in cell death. A new outcome of cell membrane damage has been revealed by researchers called cellular senescence. Cellular senescence is the mechanism that occurs when a cell ages and stops dividing permanently but doesn't die. It is an irreversible and stress-inducible form of cell cycle arrest. Cellular senescence is a common process that involves tissue remodeling, including wound repair and embryogenesis. Severe damage leads to cell death, while moderate damage transforms the cells into senescent cells, which can promote cancer and aging. Cell membrane damage induces cellular senescence through a complex mechanism that involves calcium ions and the tumor suppressor gene p53. These findings could lead to developing strategies to achieve healthy longevity in the future. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for watch more scientific research video.